Visit Sailrite.com for all your project supplies, tools, and instructions. Hi, I'm Eric Grant with Sailrite. Today I'm going to be demonstrating how to use the HandyPress with the Sailrite Drill Hole Cutter set. Now it works for all of these hole cutters except for the 1/8 inch right now, and we will be making a modification to that sometime in the future, so it'll work with that as well. But it works great in the HandyPress. Let's show you how it works. Before we get started, you need to know that the HandyPress may just be the best hand press ever made. Besides the fact that it takes almost any brand die set made for any brand hand press, it has some major advantages that other hand presses don't even come close to matching. I highly recommend you watch the demo video showing the amazing features of the HandyPress. To see it, click the link in the description or in the upper right hand corner of this video. All of the Sailrite Drill Hole Cutter sets work great in the HandyPress except for the 1/8 inch hole cutter, but that will be modified in the future. To use these hole cutters, first slide on the HandyPress workbench that's included with the HandyPress. Then take the cutting board and place it over the top. It fits snugly in the back fence. Select the hole cutter size that you desire and insert it in the upper shaft and tighten down the thumb screw, securing it in place. You can slide the workbench fore and aft and lock it down so that your fabric assembly is pushed up against the fence for holes being placed a consistent distance from the edge. The shaft can now be raised or lowered by turning it clockwise or counterclockwise. Your goal is to depress the lever and make sure that the hole cutter comes in contact with the cutting pad below. The hand lever should be horizontal or slightly downwards for that sweet spot when the hole cutter touches the cutting board. This works in a similar way to vice grips. Now we can insert our fabric assembly since everything is set up perfectly and start punching our holes. If we notice that the hole cutter goes too deeply, we just rotate the shaft upwards. If it doesn't go through our fabric assembly enough, we lower the shaft slightly. As you can see, the Sailrite Drill Hole Cutters work great in the HandyPress. The HandyPress will also work with multiple other brands and types of dies. We hope this video has been helpful. Check out our website to find out what other types and brands of dies will work with the HandyPress.